What's up, everybody, and welcome back to TGK TV. Today, we are opening a 2020-2021 NBA Hoops box of 88 cards. And yes, I had to make sure and look at that number right. It says 88 trading cards up in here. I have not opened this before. So today we're going to learn about this box and see what it comes with it. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you can hit that like button and subscribe. We do a bunch of stuff on this channel. We unbox cards, we travel, we do vlogs, we'll do skits, we'll review shoes, and we'll be disappointed by some basketball shoes too. So without further ado, let's get straight into these cards. Let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and open the pack or open the box. I don't know what to expect. It says look for retail exclusive inserts. Okay. I've held on to this pack for about over a month now, or this box. It's gone for over a month without even attempting to open it. But here we are. I'm about to unbox this entire box right here. Look at all those packs right there. Wow. Look at that, look at that. I wonder how much these go for. I wonder how much each individual pack goes for. But let's go ahead and let's open pack number one. Stop wasting time. Let's see what we got in here. All right. We got Juancho Hernan Gomez. Juancho. We got James Harden. All right. Got a Buddy Hield. Okay. Duncan Robinson of the Miami Heat. All right. A Paul Millsap. Switch this over. Got a Jeff Teague up in here. Nice. A Tyrese Halliburton. Rookie card. Kings player. Been having a really good season so far. Xavier Tillman. All right. We definitely gonna sleeve this Tyrese Halliburton here shortly. All right, pack number two. Let's get to it. Now, with all these packs, these are NBA hoops. Don't have any prisms yet, and the selects ain't out yet. So I'm definitely wanting to get that whenever I get a chance. But for now, yeah, we're gonna open this up and see what we get. So let's start with the second pack. We got a Seth Curry, currently a 76er. Brandon Ingram. Daniel Tice. What we got here? A Tristan Thompson. A LaMarcus Aldridge. What is this? Oh, nice. This is a pretty dope card. We got frequent flyers. A Kawhi Leonard first class ticket card. All right, this is dope. I like this. Boarding pass. Okay. I like that. We're gonna sleeve that one for sure. We got a Robert Woodard II. Oh, and a Lamelo ball card, a rookie card. Oh, nice. Oh, that's exciting. That's pretty dope. All right, let me go ahead and sleeve these up. All right, guys, that was a rush right there, because I know that this Lamelo card right here, it goes for some run, man. I mean, you get some value to that card right now. So let's get into pack three. What a second pack that was. Let's see what we get out of this third pack, man. God. We got a Lamelo card. That's crazy. All right. Let's go. We got a Reggie Jackson of the Clippers. Dante DiVincenzo. A Blake Griffin Pistons card. In the net now. Evan Fournier. A Chris Paul of OKC. He's with the Suns now. Okay. Isaac Okoro. Okay, nice. I like this. This is a dope card. Arriving now. Is that one of the things that is said on the box? The whole arriving now. Nice. It's a dope card. Definitely gonna sleeve this bad boy up. And we got a old Udoka Azubuike and a Malachi Flynn. So definitely our boy Isaac Okoro. Dope card right there. All right, guys, pack number four. Let's get it. This has been pretty fun. I'm not gonna lie. Like right off the top, we get some really nice cards and getting some rookies here and there. Let's see what we get out of this. All right. We got a Otto Porter Jr. We got a Eric Pascal, Warriors. We got a Danny Green. This is a Miles Turner. What is this? A Jaden McDaniels, a Rise and Shine. The enclosed efficientized material is not associated with any specific player. Oh, this is not a card. What is this? Oh, it is a card. Okay, Rise and Shine. Rise and Shine Jaden McDaniels, because it has a piece of his jersey that he played in. That's dope. Okay. Yeah, we're going to move that to the side. Next card is a... Oh, nice. A Devin Booker. Vanity Plates Booker. Nice. Yo, these cards are really dope. I'm not going to lie. I like just how they do these. Like they give them their own personality, if that makes any sense right now. We got Daniel Oturu and a Cassius Winston. All right, let's go ahead and get into what is this? Pack 5. Pack number 5. Man, this has been a pretty fire unboxing here. All right, so we got a Pascal Siakam, a Malik Beasley, Brandon Clark, DeAndre Hunter. Reverse this. A Bogdan Bogdanovic. Yes, sir. Zion Williamson. Lights, camera, action. That boy Zion got to start dunking on people. You can't be letting Steven Adams block you at the rim. But yeah, this is nice. That is a nice card. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. We're going to sleeve that bad boy. Trey Jones. Okay, yes, Spur. I thought he was a Timberwolf. Wow, okay. And a Emmanuel Quickley. He's been having a really solid year for the New York Knicks. This is definitely a card we're going to sleeve up. All right, let's get into pack number 6. I'm been pleasantly surprised by this unboxing opening here. To pull the amount of heat that we've been pulling, really dope. It's been really dope. All right, let's go. Mitchell Robinson, New York Knicks. Dwight Powell, okay, coming back from injury, doing a pretty good job. Second half of the season. Got a Derek Favors. Got a Goran Dragic. Yes, sir. Got a Goran Dragic. A Gary Harris. Marvin Bagley III. It's that man, Anthony Edwards, Minnesota Timberwolves. I'll sleeve that one up too. Oh, and it's a Bay. We got a Bay here. Definitely having a really solid season for the Detroit Pistons. Man, we're getting every single thing I've wanted to get. Like, we got every single rookie I wanted. And then we still got plenty of packs to go. So let's see what happens, man. Pack number 7. Pack number 7. Let's see what we get, man. I mean, if we get some more Lamelos or some more Anthony Edwards or James Wiseman, that'd be awesome. We got a Marcus Smart. I don't even speak on that dude's name after what he did to Luka in the playoffs. Matthew Dellavedova. Derek White. Derrick Rose. Okay. We've been doing good for the Knicks too. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's one of those jersey swap cards that we read on the back of that box. A Drew Holiday and Anthony Davis? That's dope. That's dope. I've never seen anything like that before, but that's really dope here. So let me go ahead and I'm gonna sleeve that one up for sure. We got a Tyler Bay, the Dallas Mavericks. All right. And a Theo Melodon. Good. All right, guys. Pack number 8 it is. Pack number 8. Let's see what we get here. All right. Dame time, Damian Lillard. Kobe White. Marquise Yeah, Marquise. Again, if you notice I don't say the full names, it's because these guys be fouling the hell out of Luka Doncic. We got a Markelle Fultz. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh, this is a dope card. Trae Young, the coldest. Yeah, this is a dope card. I ain't even gonna front. That's a dope card. Wow. Wow, I've never seen, like I'm telling you, like I'm really enjoying this set. I know people want the prisms and the selects and all that stuff, but these have been really dope and very, like, they have their own personality, like I say. I'm definitely sleeving that up. Got a Cole Anthony and a Josh Green. He was he got the defensive title belt for the Mavericks tonight. They played against the Detroit Pistons. So whenever you're seeing this, it's probably a couple of weeks after that game. He's definitely a good rookie. Josh Green needs to get some more playing time for sure. All right. What is it? Pack number 9? Pack number 9 it is. We got a Shake Milton, a Terrence Davis, Hassan Whiteside, Jonas Valanciunas. Flip it around. Dwayne Bacon. Ooh, Kawhi Leonard in a Raptors jersey. All right. See, this is different. Different. Like, Kawhi's clearly with the Clippers. It clearly says 2020, 2021 on the box, but got a Kawhi Raptors one. All right. I'm going to put that to the side. I like it. We got a Killian Hayes. Dope player here. And a Aaron Naismith. All right. Pack number 10 it is. Pack number 10. Down to the last 2. Let's see what we get out of here. Let's see. Josh Okogie. Kevin Knox II. Tim Hardaway Jr. Again, they played against the Detroit Pistons tonight, and he went off for 42 points. What an amazing performance. We got Dennis Schroeder, current Laker. Hey, Josh Jackson. He had a unique career. Russell Westbrook. What we got here? What is this? Oh, Obi Toppin. Okay, pause, but Obi Toppin. Okay, New York Knicks. Yeah, we'll sleeve that up. Why not? And Tyrese Maxey. All right, guys. Last pack of the night. Last pack of the video. There's been a lot of fun opening this. Let's see what else we can get out of this NBA hoop set. All right. We got a Drew Holiday, a Jaylen Brown, a Zach Collins, a Hachimura, a Tyler Hero, and a rough year. A Pandemic Paul George card. I'm playing with y'all. Paul George. Yeah, they've been having a pretty good season over there in the Clipper land. Let's see if they keep that up in the playoffs. What else we got here? We got a Desmond Bane, Memphis Grizzlies. And we got a Cassius Stanley. All right, so let's do a quick overview of all the cards we pulled today. We ended up pulling Bay from the Detroit Pistons. I like this card, the jersey swap card. It's a pretty dope card. An Anthony Edwards rookie card. Can't go wrong with that. We got a Kawhi Leonard. I don't know, it's a dope card. Especially this one, this Ice Trae one. Trae Young. This license plate Devin Booker card. Looks pretty dope. This Zion. Pretty dope card. Emmanuel Quickly. A Isaac Okoro. Kawhi Leonard frequent Flyers ticket. It's dope. This Rise and Shine card is really dope. It threw me off and threw me by surprise, to be honest with you. A Tyrese Halliburton, which is really dope. And obviously, the big one, the LaMelo Ball rookie card, which is going for like between $400 and $600 online. So you can probably understand why I'm a little jittery holding this one. Anyway, guys, it's been your boy TGK. I have a 2019-2020 season Panini cards that I'm going to be opening up on the next video. So stay tuned for that. Without further ado, I'm going to catch y'all on the next one.